So today we have a Gordon. Here this old model. I wanted to do something. I just want to paint this model in gold color. Well, since I have here a bunch of Gordons ready to paint, I will use one of these. So you know how to disassemble the model. So I have here ready this model ready to paint. See that? It already clean. And we had to remove the battery terminals. So in this case I'm using my flat screwdriver. See that? Okay, and same with the other one. If you can remove it, you can paint it with cover it with masking tape. Okay, now I still gotta use masking tape for the buffers, for the head and the roof. I'm gonna use my masking tape. I'm gonna show you a little bit. So how I do it, just cover the roof like that and use a knife all around the edges. Well, here is how I got it done, ready to paint. See that? And I have my wheels too, ready to paint. Okay, let's go outside. So first I'm using it's not a primer, it's a Krylon silver color, and I'm using this Krylon because it's kind of it fuses with the plastic. This paint fuses with the plastic, so it has a good grip. And I used primer before, but I don't like it. So this paint, it works and it sticks really good. So now with the golden color, I use here one coat, and then I will not show you, but you get the idea. I will do 2 more coats, light coats of golden color. Same for all the parts, the tender and the wheels. So don't forget to go outside. Do not paint inside the house or the apartment or wherever you're living. Okay, here is the result. Look at that. Shiny golden color. I like it. So now let's remove the tape and the wheels from the tape. See that? Beautiful. The 2 sides are really good. Excellent. Okay, now the buffer beams. I think that's the right name. Okay, anyways. So this way I don't have to paint a lot over the golden color. Good. Now the face. I'm trying not to make a lot of noise. It's 3 in the morning. But anyways. Cool. Excellent. I forgot, I didn't show you how I did this baseball, running ball, or damn it, it's the part of the chassis. Okay, So now I gotta prepare the soldering parts. In this case, the battery terminals does have some remaining of these wires. I just put the wires, didn't use this solder iron tool. So now we are removing the little parts of wire, and of course we need new wires for this electric motor. I gotta rewire the entire model. So now let's put some solder with flux on the contacts. So this way we prepare the area. Now don't forget the positive red wire goes directly to the electric motor, and the negative or black color goes to the lever or the switch. Excellent. Now we gotta put back the battery terminals into the into the tender. There you go. Now the other one, the same process, just push in and snap. Good. So next we pass through the coupling, the wires through the coupling. So just to make sure you don't forget, or you have to later on to unsolder and remove the wires and put in, do it again. But anyways, so let's prepare the area, the contacts, and probably you remember I told you I used the red color for the positive, and you see the symbol on there, the tender, and the black color onto the negative. If you messed up this part and the model goes backward, you can just disassemble the tender and swap the wires. Not a big deal. Okay, now a little test. And it's working. Cool. Now for the lining, I'm using an oil-based marker. Red. I use some white and yellow for the windows. Not a perfect work, but it's good. Okay, now let's get ready to assemble the model. Now the foot plate, or part of the chassis. Is that the foot plate? Yeah, I don't know. It's 3 in the morning and I'm forgetting what the name of these parts are anyways. So now let's prepare the wheels. I forgot the wheels right here. Let's put the axle to the driving wheels, and the middle and the front wheels also. So the rubber tires, I will not show you how I hit or smack the wheels. I do this out of camera to put them on level, because I'm trying not to make a lot of noise. But anyways, so the next right over here, these are the 2 front wheels. Let's put the rod, and I don't know what's the name of this little part. It's kind of clips, I don't know. But like I said that before, I used the hammer and hit it with the hammer, these metal parts, to snap these parts together right on top. I already show you the process on other videos. So now we are ready to begin assembly. Continue with the process. Don't forget the weight goes in the front, the driving wheel, the front wheel, and the middle wheels on this model Gordon. and the what's this? This part of the chassis. Well, I will call it cover, chassis cover, whatever, that goes on there and holds the wheels in place. Well, this idea, it's been for a long time. I always wanted to do a golden color, also Edward, also on silver color, like metallic aluminum color. But man, I've been very busy doing a lot of stuff, so I hope I get in. These costumes done really soon. But anyways, so in this case I'm using vinyl. I don't like to use stickers on metallic colors. Vinyl is better than stickers. And the machine, you can buy a plotter. It's a specific machine for cutting stickers or vinyl. You can get it for $200, I think, or if I'm not mistaken, 250. A small plotter. So I hope you can see right here the lining, right there. And this is how it looks. Look at that. I'm just gonna leave it red. I don't want to put yellow. Same for the other side. Tender is a little bit of marked. See those marks on the tender? But anyways, I didn't notice the moment I painted. So that's oh, don't forget the side roads. I also paint the side roads in gold. There you go. And I hope you guys like this video, and I'm working on restorations and fixing repairs other models. Well, I think that's all for today. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for watching. Over and out.